So in this video, I am giving you top 3 video that can change your life.
There are thousands of faceless channels that are earning dollars without showing their face. So why you are wasting your time in scrolling? In this video, I am going to show you completely the way that these channels are earning thousands of dollars, and all of these faceless channels are monetized. So I learn about top 5 best niches that are working right now. If you want to see the video, link is in description. In this video, I am going to show you the best niches that I also try for 1 month, and the result is shocking. I am not going to show you my channel, but I am revealing the niche that I work and earn thousands of dollars. See this channel's Mr. Nightmare. Make channel by just using stock footages and a voiceover. In this video, I am going to show you the completely process on how to make this type of channels and how to make the video gone viral. So there are 4 main steps to create this type of video. Number 1, generating script. To generate script, we are using our trusted partner ChatGPT. Write the prompt that I am writing, and I am also provide you this prompt in description. ChatGPT provide you the best stories. Copy the script and paste it on the notepad and select the one line. Step number 2, generating images. Come on CapCut, paste the line that you copy on this box and select the 16:9 ratio. So CapCut will provide you the generating images. Step number 3, voiceover. By generating voiceover, we are using Elevin Lab. Paste the script that you copied. Step number 4, editing. Now do the same steps that I am doing.
In the heart of a bustling village nestled between rolling hills. In the heart of a bustling village nestled. In the heart of a bustling village nestled between rolling hills. In the heart of a bustling village nestled between rolling.
Step, the work is done. Now upload this video on YouTube, and for viral tags, come on this website, rapidtag.io, and put your topic in this box. I am putting stories in the box, and boom, this website generate me viral tag that I can use in my video, and the video gets viral. So this way you can create a completely faceless channels and earn thousands of dollars every single month. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any money-making video.
I watch so many channels on YouTube, but I am going to show you top 4 most high-paying niche channel idea where you can work without showing your face, and you also easily monetize your channel and earns thousands of dollars. Watch till end, because in the end I am going to show the channels that have low competition and a high amount of views. To run a faceless YouTube channel, you have to follow these 3 steps. Step no 1, choose a niche. Step no 2, create videos. And step no 3, upload on YouTube. So first of all, we were talking about step no 1 of choosing a best niche. So I am giving you top 4 most high-paying niches. No 1, psychology categories channel like Eternalize. This channel upload his video in psychology categories and in English dubbed. And these psychology video gets very viral, especially these channel in Hindi has very low. So if you want to create this channel in Hindi, you can easily create and earn thousands of dollars. No 2, affiliate marketing. In this channel, you don't only earn with ads revenue, but also with affiliate and sponsored. This channel name is Vacuum Wars, which make vacuum cleaner reviews video without showing face. This channel has a huge search potential because this channel is about vacuum cleaner. So people search this topics because they need this. And you can also put affiliate link in the description for every buyer. You will earn completion.
Number 3,
movies reviews. This category is very popular in whole faceless category because this is an entertaining category and everyone like to be entertained. See this channel, Hollywood Silver Screen. All of the videos of this channels gets viral. You can easily make these videos. First of all, you have to watch the movie and understand the story. And just do the voiceover on the videos and earn thousands of dollars. No 4 explanation. This channel name is Magnets Media. This channel has most highest views. This channel makes videos on trending searching topics. If you want to make this type of video, you don't have to show your face, but you have to research additionally about any topic. You can also use ChatGPT for research, as much as you can give more and more effort.
Number 5, horror stories. See this channel, Mr. Nightmare. This channel upload horror video by just using free stock footages and a voiceover. According to Social Blade, this channel earn around $70,000 in every single month. We can make this type of video in just 10 minutes with the help of AI. If you want to make this type of video, I can definitely teach you step by step. Let's aim 1,000 likes to upload next video on Faceless channel. So here are the best niches that you can work without showing your face and earn millions of dollars. If you need more video like this, then subscribe to this channel. channel, hit the bell icon to get the money-making video.
$300,000, $9,000, $600,000 every single month without showing your face. There are lots of channels in this niche, and everyone get viral. So watch this channel best quotes, only 30 for video, with a huge amount of subscriber. This is not only one channel, but there are many channels that are doing the same thing and earning thousands of dollars every single month. I am showing you another one. This channel name is Quotations and Motivation. This channel upload only 7 videos with a 1 lakh subscriber. So let's get started. First of all, open Google and type ChatGPT. Click on first link and write the prompt that I am writing. You doesn't have to go on any website to collect any kind of information. So this search engine give you poetry with the writer names. I am copying the first one to show you. Firstly, copy the writer name to get the image. I copy the name and paste on Google. So here are the pick of writer that I need for my video. So download any image of your favorite. So I am downloading the second one. Now come on CapCut. Click on Project. Click on Stock Footage. Here are the millions of non-copyright stock video that you can use in your videos. I am selecting this one. Select 16:9 ratio. Now copy the steps.
The only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
Oh! The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
So the work is done. Now post a video daily on YouTube and get rich lifestyle. Now subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any money-making video.